Yeah, the fence question is a good one. People ask us all the time if we can put a fence right on top of the wall. And the answer is you can, but it requires a different kind of wall if you want to put a fence on top of the wall. Typically, the cost of a retaining wall that's strong enough to hold a fence on top is going to be a lot more expensive than your classic retaining wall. So 9 times out of 10, your posts are going to go in behind the wall. They're going to be anchored down and concreted in place. And many walls will have a fence behind them because they're on a property line. Or maybe they're merely doing a fence so that a kid doesn't fall off the wall. You shouldn't think of a fence on top of the wall. You should think of the fence directly behind the wall.